This song is about Momotaro, the boy born from a peach. He grew up brave and kind with strength of mind, a hero. I hope you like the story.
In a village long ago, when a couple wished for more, they longed to have a child of their own to love and to adore. And one day in the river, a giant peach appeared. The wife brought it home with joy, a special gift revered. Momotaro, Momotaro, the boy born from a peach, brave and kind with strength of mind, a hero within reach. Momotaro, Momotaro, he journeys far from home. With friends he'll meet demons to defeat and evil overthrow. Momotaro grew up strong, courageous, bold and wise. He heard tales of the demons and knew he must arise. With dumplings from his parents, he waved a fond goodbye and set off on a quest beneath the azure sky. Momotaro, Momotaro, the boy born from a peach, brave and kind with strength of mind, a hero within reach. Momotaro, Momotaro, he journeys far from home. With friends he'll meet demons to defeat and evil overthrow. A faithful dog, a clever monkey, a pheasant true and bold. Momotaro shared his food with them, their friendship pure as gold. United in their purpose, they stormed the demon's isle. Teamwork, skill, and bravery, they triumphed with a smile. Returning home victorious, the demon's treasure gleamed. Momotaro brought it to his parents, fulfilling all their dreams. A family bound by love, respect, and gratitude. They lived in joy and peace, an endless interlude. Momotaro, Momotaro, the boy born from a peach, brave and kind with strength of mind, a hero within reach. Momotaro, Momotaro, he journeys far from home. With friends he'll meet demons, defeat and evil overthrow. Oh, Momotaro, Momotaro, a folktale for all time, of courage, friends, and family, a message so sublime. Momotaro, Momotaro,